These things are cool. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. What's going on, everybody? It's hot out here, and I'm not going to stay here till sunset, so this is going to be a quick one. Because this phone is going to overheat pretty soon. That's a good movie, Soul. I like that thing. I've watched it a couple times. I'm going to get in this hole here, everybody. We just finished our lunch. Well, not really lunch. More like a... What time is it right now? Yeah, it was really more like an early dinner. It was really good. We both got Cobb salads, and we got a charcuterie board, and we told them to bring it all at the same time, and that's the way to do it. Because they brought our bread, they brought the charcuterie board, and they brought the salads all at once, and we just sat there and had a full meal, and it was awesome. It was seriously like way better than getting them like one at a time, because the bread goes really good with the charcuterie board. The charcuterie board goes really good with the salad. God, it was great. I loved it. I had a really good lunch there, or pre-dinner, or whatever this is. When you go to Disney a lot, you learn to eat at the off times. Because we didn't make a reservation or anything. We just got a walk-up. It was really good. It only took like 5 minutes. Maybe I'll go through this gift shop a little bit. Why not? It's hot, so let me cool down. Jarring turn. Sorry about that, everybody. You gotta think about where you're going before you start going. Because if you walk like a natural human being and you're just like, oh wait, let me go over here, then it looks bad on camera. Obi-Wan Kenobi. I just watched Rogue One last night. That movie is good. I have thought that I had seen it, but the funny thing is, I don't think I've ever seen it, actually. When I had my idea of what Rogue One was, I was thinking of a scene from The Last Jedi for some reason. Isn't that funny? Rogue One is intense, man. They introduced a lot of characters very early in the movie, which was kind of jarring. But the end of the movie, once you know who everybody is and what's going on, it's 10 out of 10. I freaking loved it. Excuse me. Thank you. Alrighty. We're just doing the gift shops today, everybody. We're gonna do a little gift shopping. Then we're gonna go down Sunset Boulevard, and then I'll probably cut it. What is that fox from? Oh, I think he's from that new movie, Red, something like that. It's very crowded in here for me to try to get close-ups of anything. Kind of just scoping out the scene for you guys. nice graphic tees. You know what I was thinking about earlier? The graphic tees, they need to put more of them on like dry fit shirts. I understand that cotton is a lot cheaper, and I'm sure their margins are a lot better. But man, when I'm in the parks, it's really tough wearing cotton shirts. I would really prefer to wear a more athletic shirt. It's so crowded in here, I can't do it. It's like literally like, there's just nothing to do. I'm like, it's so funny. Oh, you're like, yeah, you're right. Oh, look, we got a little, let me try to beat the crowd here. Oop. A little Donald and Daisy up there. This is what I was talking about in one of my first videos from here at Hollywood Studios. They were standing up there messing with some girl that was standing right below them, and she had no idea. And I told the girl, I was like, hey, look, they're up there. And throughout the whole commotion of it, I walked right into that women's bathroom. Not into it, but like right where that blue lady, the blue shirt lady, just turned around. And then I was like, realized what I was doing. Well, I didn't realize what I was doing. My girlfriend tapped on my shoulder and said, hey, you idiot, you better not walk in the girls' bathroom. When we got on Tower of Terror earlier, right when you enter the Tower of Terror, Goofy and Max were standing right there. Like literally, like, I gave him, he bowed to me and I bowed back. Sign of respect for the mousy, or his best friend. This gift shop is a little less crowded. This one's not so bad. And the AC is pumping, so that's good. All the ears. This is Ear Central. Actually, Ear Central is probably that gift shop in Disney Springs, World of Disney. They got everything there. But, whew, Disney Springs is seriously crowded, which I talked about in my last video that I shot this morning. I gotta check those sweets later. I'm not going over there on the video now, but I'm looking for these specific candies that I got here. Look at these things. Oh, what is that for sale? Who is that for sale? I want that thing. Or no, it's probably on discount. These people were just staring at me. You can leave me alone, buddy. I'm just doing my own thing. It looked very rude, the way they stared at me. What is that noise?
Bueno, por ahí.
Last time.
This concrete, I can just seriously imagine it is so hot. Could you imagine laying on this thing? My God, I would seriously think you'd get burnt. With how much like friction and everything's on here from everybody walking on it, and the sun is beating down.
How was the show?
It is seriously a hot day today. It is like, I think the Weather Channel says like 98 feels like 105 or 106. That's the humidity for you. It'll do it to you. It is definitely on the hotter side. But what can you expect? Mid-July. I'm not gonna go back to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge today. But when I was watching Empire Strikes Back a couple days ago, when they were doing the speeder bike scenes on Endor, or the moon of Endor, they should have a ride like that. They should literally make like a ride that's, you're on those things and it has the same ride dynamics as like Flight of Passage. And like you're flying through the moons of Endor and you're like, or you know, the forest. That would be awesome. I want that. Smuggler's Run is good, but if you're in a group of two, it's kind of like, I don't like sharing it with other people. But then if you do it, like when we rode it during COVID, we were the only ones in there, and we were both pilots, and you can't control the guns or anything. So that's a problem too. But I like that ride, the Millennium Falcon. Long line for the creamy. Everyone wants to beat the heat with a sweet treat.
We gonna pass the scooter bay?
And everybody, this is my cue, because I got a lightning lane for this ride right now. And you can't film on here. Nor would I, because man, this ride would be tough. Oh, here's some copyright, everybody.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is a good spot for me to end it here, everybody. I said everybody like 3 times in the past like 5 seconds. Jeez Louise, Jacob.
Oh yeah, then it would just fly off.
All right, everybody. I don't know what I'll do. I'll see how much footage I have. I might have to shoot some more here from the Hollywood studios. But if I don't, it's been fun, everybody. Like and subscribe.